Welcome to Wandering Watercolor. Today I'm painting kind of a very loose, splattery, fun painting, and I thought some of you may enjoy watching how the process happens. Just basically watch how I throw the paint on the paper and just watch the layering of the colors. I know some people have difficulty painting water. I usually don't think about it too much. I just kind of like throw it on there, and then you'll see there's a lot of movement in this painting. Splatters and painting loose and quick really helps when there's movement in a watercolor painting. So let's start painting. Okay, so that was the painting. I like how it turned out. There's some high contrast in there and good splatters, if that's even a thing. But hopefully you kind of got the idea of how things are laid down, and I encourage you to just try painting a little more messy with splatters and then just a little more carefree. And usually whenever I don't worry about it too much is when the effects and the overall piece comes together a lot better, I would say. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.